Hello everyone, it is already September 1st, so let's have a look at what Castle G-Shock Japan has to offer for us. Before I begin, have you entered the giveaway for this new GA2100 G-Shock watch yet? If you haven't, all the details will be available down in the description box. It will be ongoing for 2 weeks. All the details down below. This month we're gonna have a look at 6 G-Shock watch. All of them already existent, except this time they're just some new colorway, I would say, new series. Starting with the Kyo Momiji, and then we have a look at the square metal models. The Kyo Momiji is pretty interesting. It is an ongoing series from the Sakura Storm, which was released on April, I believe. Yeah, that one was released during spring season to celebrate Hanami culture in Japan, basically Sakura viewing. And this series is still basically following the same theme, except instead of viewing sakuras, we're gonna be viewing fallen leaves, basically autumn season in Japan, which is currently beginning right now. So I couldn't understand why they released this colorway despite the summer season's already ended. They're still gonna be releasing these vibrant colors to represent that culture, to represent the tradition, to represent that festivity that is ongoing in Japan. Not just that, they will also making all these 3 models fully in Japan as well. So I could see why they released this, and I'm very sure they're gonna be targeting this to those who celebrate and also those tourists who is visiting Japan in this specific time of the year, which is gonna be interesting. If I'm visiting Japan this time of the year, I will definitely buy one of these because it is limited edition, it is special edition, it is made in Japan, and the colors really represents Japan brand G-Shock. That is nice. Although for everybody else, I don't see any reason why you should buy one of these unless you like the colors. For me, however, I could already imagine how that vibrant the 6900 version on my wrist, and you know what? I used to like that vibrant thingy, not anymore. Unless it is a Master of G, then I'm gonna accept that regardless of the colors. But for a basic one, I think I'm gonna pass. Though there's still the square, and there's the GA100 as well. If you want to be a little bit more subtle by the square, it's up to you guys. But still, they are incredible G-Shock watch, represent Japan culture. The price is affordable, and there are nice things to have. Moving on to the next series, to the square, which is pretty interesting. Cats have been focusing a lot of squares lately, ever since last year. This time they'll be adding metal bezel on top of the already existing DW5600 model, which could be around $40 depending on where you are. But this time they're gonna charge us 24,000 Japanese yen just because of that extra metal bezel. So basically, that metal bezel, official by Casio, will cost us $100. I had seen the aftermarket ones, which is a lot cheaper, but I'm not sure about the quality difference or not. Probably I'm gonna buy one, which, you know what, I'm gonna buy one. I'm gonna buy the green and black version. There are 3 colorways altogether: silver and black, black on black, olive green, army series on black bezel. I believe the army green one is the best out of the bunch because it is special, it is unique, it is not as easily customizable, meaning it is special compared to the other 2. The price is 24,000 Japanese yen, but I'm sure I could get it somewhere around $20. I'm sorry, $200, 20,000 Japanese yen plus minus tax and also shipping and all those, which I'll update you guys in the future if I bought one. If you are gonna be buying any one of these, I'm sure the reason will be for the construction, for the toughness, and not as much for the function, because it is still the same square. You could buy one for $40. You're paying extra for all this added thing, which if you could accept it, then there it is. And if you cannot accept that, get this one instead. This is GA2100, which is, I think, will be a lot better. This one could still last you a lifetime, like literally the life of the watch gonna be around 2 years, 3 years, depending on how you use it. But hey, this is a great G-Shock watch, and this square one also a great one, which I'm gonna buy because I didn't have a lot of square in my possession. So there you go. And probably based on your supports, is enough of you guys enter the giveaway. I'm probably gonna be giving away this GM5600-3JF1 as well in the future. We'll see how it goes depending on the popularities of this giveaway, which I'm gonna keep promoting until the end of the deadline, so bear with me. Okay, I guess that should sums up all the things I need to talk about for this month's release. Thank you very much for watching us. Thank you very much for your support. And as always, this is gshock, and I'm